Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, January 11th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Um, I told you both in my letter to my customers and several times last week in these videos that the portfolio we have in January is very profitable, but also extremely volatile. And we just saw more evidence of that today. You don't really see it in the Dow here. Dow made new record highs last week. Today it took a little break. It opened down. Um, Tried to go positive. Did not go positive up here. Then pulled back a little. Officially closing down 89. Certainly not a crash. Just a little rest spot there. But boy, our portfolio was unbelievably volatile today. We had positive $13,000 on Friday on the close. I just gasped this morning because right after the open, we were negative $40,000 with those positions. And it looked like we were just going to be chewed up and spit out today. Looked really bad. And then, just incredibly, this $40,000 loss was almost completely erased. And we ended up closing all those bad positions out with only a $1,000 loss. So we went, this group of stocks we had went from being positive 13,000 on Friday net to negative 40,000 on the open, and we finally got out of it with only negative $1,000. So that we slipped the noose on that, no question about it. We got into 10 new positions, 6 positive, 4 negative, and we are carrying positive $6,600 going into tomorrow. So on balance, that's just really good. We just really did well. I'll show you 3 of the stocks. This first one is FTEK, which is Fuel Tech Incorporated. And we had bought this last Thursday on the pop-up here. It actually closed just about neutral on Thursday, but it popped up pretty strong on Friday. That kept us into the trade. And then this morning, I mean, this is volatility for you. This thing opened down, and actually down here at the bottom, we're at a loss on this stock. But then it just rebounds unbelievably in the first 45 minutes of the day. We take our profits right there, and we take $10,600 in profits out of this stock. So we've gone from being negative here to positive $10,000 plus in about 30-40 minutes. And that is volatility. You'll see it again here. Well, not so much here, but it's still a very profitable stock. This is VERI, which is Veritone Incorporated. And we had bought this all the way back on Wednesday. And we got into this thing on Wednesday. It closed against us on Wednesday. Didn't look good at all. So I'm always telling people you can't make money day trading. You got to hold overnight to make money. And this was a classic one. It looked like a terrible trade for the day traders. But on this would have been Thursday, this thing took off like a bird. That kept us in the trade for another day, And then on Friday, it takes off again, and so strong on Friday that keeps us in going into a fourth day, and that's extremely rare for our system, but it happened here, and lucky it did, because today, on Monday, we got out of that, and we took $13,300 out of Veritone Incorporated. So that was a really fine trade there. And then finally, this was just one we got into today. This is BLNK, which is Blink Charging Company. This has been a real good stock for us lately. And this thing popped up this morning. We grabbed it. It just kept going there, closing pretty close to its high. And we're up $4,700 in Blink Charging, and we are holding that into tomorrow. So I consider it a very good day, even though our net profit is pretty small. We really avoided the disaster this morning, and things are really looking good. Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Tuesday.